See, a pair of adjacent coils has a mutual inductance of 1.5 Henry, that is M is equal to 1.5 Henry. If the current in one coil changes from 0 to 20 ampere, so di is equal to 20 minus 0 is equal to 20 ampere change in current. Dt is equal to given to us here, that is 0.5 second. What is the change in flux linkage with the other coil? So, we know it, magnitude of induced EMF in coil is equal to m di upon dt, and also E can be written here d phi upon dt is equal to m di upon dt. This cancel here. So, change in flux we can get d phi is equal to m into di, that is 1.5 into 20, that should be here 30 Weber. This is the magnetic flux, unit of magnetic flux. So, change in magnetic flux can be easily calculated, that is 30 Weber.